those who trespass. So what I'm gonna do now, I just popped on my um mic and stuff. I have a really busy day today, but I wanted to get this filmed, so I'm actually about to film a TEMU haul. I'm an affiliate of TEMU. I have a link that gets you discounts and free gifts and things like that. And so I've been slacking on getting this actual user-generated content out. I've been trying to go really heavy in my affiliate stuff because I have a lot of cool stuff and a lot of things that could be helpful to people, especially people in my industry. So I am about to film this real quick. It shouldn't be nothing but 3-5 minutes. I'm gonna eat breakfast and then I'm gonna head out because I have to go to Maryland State Police today, pick some things up. I gotta go get some stuff notarized. Then I got a meeting with a potential client who's already a client who wants to add on another service. And then what else I gotta do? And then I'm going to see a new client. I'm actually going to work a detail today. I don't usually work details. I have over 100 officers in my pool to be able to work details for me. But when it's a new client and I want it to be an ongoing client, I like to do the whole kissing babies, shaking hands. I was about to say kissing hands, shaking babies, but that is bad. So I like to do the whole thing of kissing babies, shaking hands, politician style. So it's only a 2-hour and 30-minute detail. So I'm gonna go with one of my trusted officers, Terry, and we're gonna get suited and we're gonna go. So you're gonna see me get dressed. It's kind of gonna be business that is able to change into tactical quickly. So first I'm gonna film this and then I'm gonna eat, drink coffee, and go. Alright, so now it's time for me to get dressed. I have to actually do something that somebody taught me a long time ago, which was get dressed for the highest point of your day. And today I got a lot of high points. I am meeting with a client that we do their festival to see if we can get an officer on a regular basis inside of their headquarters. Forgot about the mic. And so we're meeting about that today. Put the mic there for right now. So we're meeting about that today. And I do have to stop by the state police. I have some errands to run. And then after the meeting about the officer, I also have to meet a new client. And I'm going to work a detail. So that is going to be another high point. But that is particularly tactical. So I'm dressing for the meeting, but then I'm also dressing for me to actually do work. So I'm going to be half dressed for the meeting, which is this half. And then I'm actually going to bring my cat gear with me. I'm going to be bringing my plate carrier with me and my hat and things like that. But it's at an elementary school, and so I just want to, get on the roster so that they'll call every time that they want security. And it's not just a one-off. So that is the goal here. So I can't just wear regular clothes today. I'm going to be out and about in semi-uniform, but I'm still gonna be fly. So that's just how that goes. I'll be throwing on a pair of loafers and some dress pants and a jacket with a patch on it as well. And then when it's time to actually work, I'm going to throw on a tactical hat like this with my green tack vest And so that's how I'm going to switch up swag. But I'm gonna keep the dress pants on and the polo on. I'm just gonna throw the jacket on and the vest on top, and it just kind of changes it up a bit. Goes from business casual to I'll take you down in a hot second kind of thing. Um, so I'm gonna finish getting dressed, then I'll be back in the car, which I know what I'm smoking today. So I just left my pickup at Maryland State Police, and I had 2 impromptu meetings because I decided that I was gonna go heavy on my networking. You know what I'm saying? So whose card do I have now? I have Eric D. Thomas. So I'm picking up guard cards. So basically, the person signs for this, and now they can do security work for me and for other people. So we were having an issue with. I got a PO box, and the PO box has been forwarding stuff and messing it up. So I got to take care of that. Today's errand day, but I did have 2 impromptu. One of the state troopers came out and said that they heard of my company, and then we exchanged numbers, and they were like, you know, you're good company, good stand, and I like the people that you have, because they do all the investigations on the security companies in Maryland. So it's good to put a face to the people that are investigating you, because you don't even know when you're being investigated. But you know, I heard good feedback. He said, you know, he likes the way I do my paperwork, check in, the emails that I send, because if I have a question, I always ask Maryland State Police, because they're going to be the ones to put you in jail. So that was good feedback for that. But then there was another guy that came in, and he was asking the desk clerk some questions, and I didn't feel like the desk clerk really answered his questions. So I kind of approached him outside like, hey, what is it that you're actually trying to do? And he basically runs a nonprofit, and the nonprofit wants to certify their veterans and certify their people with certain disabilities as unarmed security officers. And he was trying to figure that out. And she gave him a piece of paper that didn't really tell him what to do. So I gave him my information and said that I can help certify your people so that you can go ahead and do that. And they got, you know, grants and this, that, and the third. And he said, you know, he's going to email me tomorrow because he would like to collaborate with my company so that he can get his people, and they want to become an unarmed agency so that when they do these government contracts, they can not just put their people in cleaning positions, but they can put them in like door security and stuff, the people that sit at the desk. So I think right now in 2024, I'm just really big on trying to put my company name out there, shake hands, and really do that. So today was already about shaking hands and getting out here and showing my face. So that was two really good interactions. And I just started the day. So now I'm about to head to UPS, and I'm about to get some papers notarized because I have to renew my MBE, SBE, DBE. If you own a security company, you should probably do your DBE, SBE, MBE because it gives you access to government, state government contracting, and that's where the money is. So I will finish my stogie. Today we smoking Epic. All right, so half my to-do list is done. I stopped and got Tropical Smoothie Cafe because I like them. And if I don't eat now, I will forget to eat after my next meeting. So my next meeting is with the Pride Center of Maryland. My company does Pride every year. And so we have a meeting about that and a meeting about some potential extra business. I got a chicken quesadilla too. So that's at 3. It's like 2 something. So I'm about to head down there, and hopefully this goes well.
And then right after that meeting is our detail at a school dance. It's an elementary school dance, so it should be so cute. Middle school dances are not as cute because them kids, they be a lot. High school dances, that's basically grown ups. So elementary school should be very cute. Um, that is unarmed, lax. They wanted tactical, so I have one guy in tactical, and I'm going like this. I do have my vest in the back, but I don't really think it's necessary. Before I walked into the meeting, I got a new process server client um, over my email just now, and they actually met me in front of my meeting to drop off some paperwork. So I'll deal with that when I get out. But that's how fast stuff moves. And she was dope. She actually paid a deposit. So now I'm actually heading into the building. Alright, so basically we the I just did some crazy in traffic, but basically the event went really well. I mean, oh shoot. So basically the meeting went really well. We end up actually going to see two different properties instead of just doing one. So they actually want two officers now instead of one. I'm trying to talk to them to three. So that was really good that you get there and they're like, you know what, you sound like you know what you're talking about. Let's go see our other building. And, I gave my opinion, kind of a risk assessment, kind of a security, like kind of plan thing, but not too much to where they just gonna start implementing the stuff themselves. So you gotta be, real good with that, where, sounding like you know what you're talking about, but not giving away all the trade secrets. So I did that. So we end up talking about a budget for 2 to 3 officers. Monday through Friday, at different times or whatever. So that went really good. And then because the meeting was so well, we started to talk about Pride 2024. If you don't know, that my company has done Pride since 2022, 2023, and this will be our 3rd year doing Pride. So that's really cool. That's really good. And yeah, so yeah. So now I'm sneaking home to go use the bathroom. Because I'm nowhere near a really good bathroom. So I'm going home to sneak to use the bathroom. And then I'm going to jump back on the road because I have to go to a new client site and actually do security for their school dance with another officer of mine. And then while I was walking into my other meeting, I booked a new process serve client, and so I just put that job posting out on my Protectors Club app. And basically the Protectors Club app is where I do a lot of one-on-one training, mentoring, and I actually give out my private detective and process serving jobs on that site, because I know those people on that app in the Protector Club actually take their training very seriously, and they train every day because they have access to videos, articles, ebooks, and posts that I put in on a daily basis, thoughts and tips and tricks and stuff like that. So the Protectors Club, if you are anywhere, you don't even have to be in Maryland. If you're anywhere and you're trying to elevate in the industry, the Protectors Club is a good thing for you to invest in. Right now it's $9.99 a month, but it's going to be $19.99 a month starting next month. So, I'll leave that in the as description of this video. But that's the only place I give out my PI stuff, because if I just do it a mass, the mass text or the mass email, it goes to everybody, and I'm not really sure if everybody's keeping up with their training with PI and knows how to process serve, because it's a skill to it. It's a little thing, like you can stand in one place. Anybody can just stand in one place when they're doing security, but to really close a case or to really find a missing person, that takes somebody who's really honing in on their soft skills. So yeah, if you're looking to get mentored by me in the PI industry, that's where you definitely need to be. So I am running tired. I can feel it. I might need to get another coffee. But you know, I got one more obligation to do, and then tomorrow I'm probably be in the bed all day. I do got a important meeting for my personal brand, for my Jazz CEO brand. I got an important meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. over the phone. So I'll be up early doing that. And that is for me to do some UGC, user generated content for a major property management. So wish me luck on that. But yeah, all right. Next time you see me, I'll be at a school dance.
So I just talked to the point of contact, switched my hat up. I'm actually not going to put on my tactical gear. I'm going to stay in this. I just took my beanie off, put my tack hat on. And so we're going to go in there and tell the kids to be good. So I'll talk to y'all after I come out of here. We at the elementary school. So yeah, baby, take care of the kids, okay?
Bet you can't do it like me, child. Let's go like hey, turn on.
All right, so we're done at the elementary school dance. Kids are crazy.
Yes, they are.
They liked him though. They kept walking up to him going like this, like, "Hello, Mr. Officer." So yeah,
man.
that's cool that was going, and the PTA want to give us a review, so that's also cool. But this is the end of my night, and he came straight from work.
Yes, I did. I'm glad I did too. It was fun.
That's you know, you gotta have people like that, because people want money, and I knew this wasn't a lot of money. And so I appreciate that, because it's a good client to get, which could lead to a lot of money.
Yes,
Principal was all up in our business. So that's the end of the vlog. I'm tired of talking to y'all. I think I did good. So this is Officer Terry. So we done. We'll see you next time.
next time.